Hey guys, Thunder E here and welcome to, of course, another fun battle vid. Now this time is with the brand new OnePlus buds that have been announced this week, and of course the Galaxy Buds Plus, to find out where they actually stack up. So let's jump right in. Now the OnePlus buds are the first true wireless buds from OnePlus. We've been waiting for these for a while. They're finally here. We've seen some rumors, and the device comes in a couple of colors. Now the OnePlus buds either come in white, of course you've got the Nord blue, and you've got a gray variant. Now just to let you guys know, if you're in the US, the Nord blue will not be coming to the US immediately, at least at this time. We know that's just a global launch, so we get the white and the gray here in the US. Anyway, that being said though, what you have is something that has a peg-like shape in terms of a case. And now the case does give you about 30 hours of battery life, and you've got USB Type-C charging you. And this is one of the things that OnePlus has done well with this, where normally with most true wireless buds, like even the Galaxy Buds Plus, you do get, with 10 minutes of charge, you get about an hour of battery life. Well, with the OnePlus buds with 10 minutes of charge, because it has warp charging, you get 10 hours of battery life. That is actually truly impressive. So one of the nicest things I like about it is the fact that you've got a lot of juice with that. And the case with the earbuds, I'll have a total of about 30 hours of battery life. So we understand that there. Now, in terms of the fit and the look, well, they've got that similar styling to the original AirPods. So of course, this will fit certain people. They do have touch controls on the side of either buds. So you can actually control your music, play, skip forward or back, that kind of functionality. And it also have support for Dolby Atmos as well, through of course your device like the OnePlus Nord itself. Now, in terms of some of the functionalities as compares to the Galaxy Buds, let's start off of course with the first thing, battery life, which I mentioned. So the battery life is 30 hours in total, while the Galaxy Buds are 22 hours, which clearly beats it. And of course the OnePlus buds also have that benefit of 10 minutes of charge, giving you 10 hours of usage compared to 1 hour of usage on the Galaxy Buds. So that's a big win for the OnePlus buds. Now the next thing of course is fit and use. So with the OnePlus buds, you've got things, you've got these buds that fit this way. Now, when I shake my head, they kind of stay, but they're hanging out really at the edge of my ear, and it doesn't fall out. But what happens when I use them is when I laugh or I talk a lot, they start sliding off and they don't necessarily fit. For me, these things don't fit well. They never have. This design is just something that doesn't fit well for me, and I know for a lot of people. Plus, they also hurt my ears quite a bit after a short period of time. So these are not a pair that I can wear for a long period of time. Now, I know there are people who can wear them for a while, but for me, it just doesn't work. In comparison to the Galaxy Buds, which have, of course, the soft silicone tips and a much more comfortable fit that allows me to wear this for a longer period of time. So that's just something to put. So in terms of fit, the Galaxy Buds definitely win on that direction. Now, let's move over, of course, to the microphones. You've got microphones built into these. And I have to say, though, both of them do a really good job with their microphones. The OnePlus buds have some really solid mics, so you can have good phone calls. That part is actually pretty good. And in comparison to the Galaxy Buds Plus, it's pretty close. I will give the edge to the Galaxy Buds Plus, especially with just the noise canceling mics. But overall, I think both of them are good right there with the microphones. Now, of course, the big kicker as well is, of course, audio. How good do they sound? So in comparison, the OnePlus buds have a lot of bass. If you're bass friendly, you like that, that's really nice. But because these do not fit entirely into my ear, I lose a lot of the sound, I lose a lot of the depth of the music. So of course, my highs don't reach as much. It can get loud, which is nice, but I don't get a lot of the sound reverberation from this in terms of audio quality. Now, in comparison with the Galaxy Buds do a really good job. We know that quite well. The fit, of course, gives you some really good passive isolation as well with this. So you get a lot of the audio coming in. The highs are good, the mids are good, the lows are of course a little lower because this doesn't really push up as much bass. But of course you do have the app to tune in the EQs for you here. Now, you know, in terms of just little extras you have here is that, you know, the Galaxy Buds has wireless charging, but of course there's difference in price. The Galaxy Buds, they are priced at about $139. You can get them cheaper, about $116 I've seen recently on Amazon. The OnePlus Buds are $79, so they are much cheaper alternative. And yeah, if I were to go ahead and pick a winner, I still will go with the Galaxy Buds. But here's the thing though, I think OnePlus has done a really good job with the OnePlus Buds in terms of pricing and where it stands. Now, for me, the fit just does not work because they hurt my ears and they don't stay in as much. So I really have to force them in to make sure that they stay and it starts hurting, you know, that kind of thing. But in terms of audio quality, it's good. In terms of the microphone, it's really solid there. Battery life is pretty good at 30 hours, and also that quick charging capability of giving you 10 minutes of charge to 10 hours of playtime also shows. Now, I would love to see improvements from OnePlus. Change the design, please. I think this is pretty old. I'm not sure why brands still do this and use this design, but please change the design. Also, maybe add an application so we can customize the audio as well. But it's a very good first start. And if you're looking to pick up something cheaper, the OnePlus Buds might be for you. And again, if this design fits you in your ears, you have no issues, then by all means go for it. So anyway, guys, there you have it, guys. That is the OnePlus Buds versus the Galaxy Buds Plus. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.